So my role at Innova is I am a senior project consultant. I'm working with contractors, architects and users on the overhead hoist systems, hydrotherapy pools and other products that Innova offers.
So my role here at Innova is a project consultant for the large installed projects, so the likes of the hoisting systems and the hydrotherapy pools, and then I am also a commercial executive as well.
So my role in the company is a project consultant, focusing on the care sector, care homes, assisted living environments. So I've got a great interest in interior design, and I guess the most important thing for me really then would be to ensure we are helping to create the best environment for residents, their families and especially those that are working in the area of care.
So for me, I think that the most important part of my sales role here at Innova would be the opportunity to help improve somebody's life, whether it be the carer or the patient. Our systems, our products are there to help improve anybody's life, anybody that's working or living in an environment where care is provided.
An important part of my role here at Innova is to make sure that the end user who's using our equipment has a very good experience, making sure that it works for them and they're comfortable and it gives them exactly what they need. And we work with architects and contractors to make sure that the systems are designed correctly so that they have this excellent experience.
Highlight this year, be a difficult one. I guess I'd probably say moving to our new premises, the excellent new coffee machine, and can't not mention the sparkling water.
My main highlight working here and over this year has really got to be the team. Really good culture here, everyone pulling together. Also got excellent facilities. We've moved into new offices, which is great, with some excellent perks, including the coffee machine, where you can keep yourself stimulated through the day. So it's really just a great atmosphere and everyone's moving forward.
And yes, so my highlight of the year, absolutely without a doubt, would be watching my colleague Jason Fulcher doing star jumps in his vest on one of our recent boot camp days, which was provided amusement for all that attended.